If you're looking for a healthy homemade recipe that's rich in fiber and nutrients, you're going to love this one. Let's make it together. First, add 100 grams of oats to a bowl. Now pour in 500 milliliters of water and mix everything well. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap if you have it. I didn't have any, so I used baking paper instead. Place the bowl in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. While the oats are chilling, let's prepare the flaxseed mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to a small pot. Pour in 1 cup, or 240 milliliters, of water. Keep stirring with a spoon as the mixture heats up. This step is important because the flaxseed needs to release its natural gel. Bring it to a boil, and once it starts boiling, let it cook for 2 more minutes. Now strain the mixture through a fine strainer. The liquid should be slightly thick, sticky, and light brown. Next, take the oats out of the refrigerator and give them a quick stir. Strain the oat water into a clean bowl, making sure to extract as much liquid as possible. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Heat the mixture over medium heat while stirring continuously until it starts to thicken. Now add 1/4 cup of yogurt and mix everything until it's smooth. Next, pour in the flaxseed liquid and stir well until everything is fully combined. Now cut a few fresh strawberries into small pieces. Blend the strawberries until smooth. Then pour them into the mixture. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and give everything one last good mix. Cover the mixture and place it in the refrigerator for 12 hours. After chilling overnight, your healthy recipe is ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.